Alright, so you walk in the cabin here. There's a nice wood burning fireplace that catches your eye. It actually has very high ceilings in here for a small cabin. Pretty cool feature. You walk in. Go over here. They do have a TV. There's a few channels if you need them. There's a couch, a couple chairs, nice kitchen table. We'll walk around this way into the kitchen. Nice stove, refrigerator. Walk back this way. There's a bathroom. Walk back this way. First bedroom here is bunk beds. And then there's another bedroom here with a full-size bed. I'm going to go back over this way. And there's the deck. Nice view out here.